Affiliate marketing training for earning passive income. 1. Internet marketing website iDominationBlueprint.com recently opened the Affiliate Marketing Academy class, which a focus on helping affiliates online. 2. The aim of iDominationBlueprint.com is to provide the most relevant and useful information to affiliates so they earn a lot of money. 3. They are being fed garbage and being taken advantage of, which is not good, and they need to be taught properly how to change their subconscious mindset. 4. They need the Affiliate Marketing Academy training from the 4% group to break from the norm and follow a step-by-step process. 5. While most other review sites simply list the positive selling points, it is a total positive paradigm-shifting education that is needed by all. 6. Most sites don't go so far as to cover the more critical aspects as well. For example, it takes commitment and work, which lets some people down. 7. AMA endeavors to go one step further in its mission to provide more value to men and women who are struggling to start a home business. 8. This is for people that want to learn passive income ideas and leave a legacy for their kids while helping people worldwide at the same time. 9. One example of such a specific question is found below. A lot of people ask me every day, how can I create a profitable online business? 10. The answer is always simple. You need two things. 1. Product/system, and 2. Quality targeted traffic that converts. Learn more at peterluca.com/affiliate marketing academy review.